Hey guys, Kevin Lam here from Rank Above Others. So as you know, I'm on my journey now to create and produce more videos for my company. I thought it would be a fun thing to do. And since I'm in the very beginning stages of this, I want to share what I'm doing to make it happen. I basically started putting together my video topic ideas, and I started wanting to organizing everything that I did, so that way I can stay organized and prepared for what I'm going to do. So as you can see here, I've created a spreadsheet. I decided to put it on my Google Docs so that I can access it anytime. Maybe on my phone, I can update the topics or other things I need to do about it. And I created different columns. One was status, priority, tags, and topic. Of course, I guess I should probably just go ahead and explain from one column to the next. Basically, my status, I decided to use whether it was complete, recorded, edited, needs update, or if it needs to reshoot. Because, for example, I did one for welcome business owners. Um, Unfortunately, the audio didn't turn out very well, so I'm going to have to reshoot that one. I then also prioritized it, indicating 5 is the highest priority, and then 1 is the lowest priority. Now, I didn't want to do basically all 5, like the priority number 5, right across the board, one after the other, because, I do want to talk about important things, but there are other topics that are not as important in regards to this, but it's still important, and I think it's best to space it out. I decided to create a column for tags so I can basically remember or at least log what tags I use for that specific video. Of course, I have my topic, and then I have my description about that specific topic. Basically, it's the description that I'll use for a video. Now, obviously, this is very short. It's not very much. My descriptions will grow over time as I create more videos. I may reference other videos that maybe it's related to. So this will grow, and I will link to other things. In fact, I'll probably go back and modify it as the channel grows. I then created a column for script, and I had the options for ready, need script, wing it. Basically, this video, I'm winging it. Which is the one I'm producing right now, how I'm organizing and planning my videos. So I decided to just turn that into a video while I was doing this earlier. And then I put, so drafted, needs script, needs editing, edited, and then it's ready. Okay. So basically all these other topics, I need to write scripts for those, or I might later decide that it's better to wing it. All right. And then I just, basically you'll see these number 1 is just so I know that I have a note there, so I mouse over it. I know there's a little, I guess, little corner that indicates that there is a note, but I think the number 1 will help me see better, especially on my phone too. I can tap on that, and then if I have no notes or something, maybe I'll put a 0. So that's how I'm doing it. I'm not saying this is right or wrong, but this is what I came up with. And basically, if I mouse over these items, it tells me, okay, my equipment used was 2 lights, teleprompter, lavalier, Panasonic 4K camera. Okay, and then for right now, I'm using the Yeti mic, which is right next to me, 1 light, and the Logitech cam. So you'll notice that the movement's a little slower because the frame rate is only 30 versus 60. If it's 60 frame rates per second, then it's a lot smoother. All right. I have my recorded date and when it was posted. I want to know the difference between the two because I may have recorded a certain day, but then I don't post it until way later. Okay. And then the presenter, because I might not always be the one creating the video or basically the host or presenter, right? So I think presenter was the best thing to use. I wanted to track where I'm uploading my videos, whether it's YouTube, Facebook, Vimeo, YouTube and Facebook, YouTube, Facebook and Vimeo, YouTube, Facebook, Vimeo, and Insta, basically Instagram. Okay. The common place I'll be sending it to and posting it is actually YouTube. Once in a while I may put it on Vimeo just because I'm probably using the video for more than just content on my channel. Okay. I have my notes. The notes would just be anything that I'm talking about on it. Doesn't necessarily have to do with the video being posted. It could be something about I did in there. but I think it's important to have that. And then clothing, I want to track and see what clothing I'm wearing for that particular video. Of course, it's nice to sometimes look at the video and see that, but at the same time, I'm seeing this without going and looking at every single video, right? So it's blue plaid shirt and jeans, and also the location, because my location will change. I don't want to do the same place all the time, so I may go from one location to another, and I think it'd be pretty fun to change it up a little bit. I might not always be at my desk. I might be at another glass wall. I might do a green screen. I might be in my break room or my other area. I might be outside, whatever the case may be. All right, so that's kind of what I came up with. If you guys have other ideas, let me know. But this is what I came up with to help me organize my videos, or planning my videos for the future, and how I'm going to track everything and stay on task. Because I think it's important once I know that, okay, if I recorded a certain day and then it's still not posted, and like, oh man, I need to go back and do something about that. You know, maybe I'm in the middle of editing a bunch of these or something, and I need to get those done and posted. Anyway, so I thought that would be cool and fun, and just in case anybody else is doing it, maybe this will give you an idea of what you might want to do. Maybe you're planning to do more videos for your business as well, so that'd be pretty cool. All right, thanks guys. It's Kevin Lam from Rank Above Others. If you like it, I'm not comfortable even saying this yet, but if you like what I'm planning on doing, maybe even seeing the topics that I'm talking about here, and you're interested, if you could subscribe to my channel. I plan on creating a lot more videos. I'm not trying to do videos that is just based on like very simple stuff where like, oh, we're talking about SEO or whatever only. I want to talk about more general topics. You know, for example, like how to hire freelancers, how to outsource, how outsourcing grows your business, some really important tools and things like that, like the 5 pillars of business. I really want to talk about that. This one's really important. Humanizing our digital presence. That's a huge one. I may rearrange these and put them in different order, but that'll be really cool. There are some things that I'm talking about that, frankly, I know not many others are talking about. You know, I brought up the window of reference in my first video, but what does window of reference really mean, right? So that's what I'm going to dig into later on and explain what that really means and how you can really improve your business doing stuff like that. All right, thanks guys. This video's been long enough. I appreciate it. Bye now.